George Clooney stopped approaching auditions thinking about how he could get the part, and that's when he started landing bigger and bigger roles. And when you apply for jobs, that's exactly what you should be doing. If you're a senior engineer and you're sending out hundreds of CVs out into the wild, only for them to disappear like pebbles thrown into the sea, and you're thinking, I used to get loads of interviews and offers, so why am I being ignored now? The reason is you're making a simple mistake, and today I'm revealing that one error that's making you invisible, and the exact mindset that flipped the script for me after 45. This entire problem boils down to a frame shift, and I stole mine from George Clooney. Early on, after many failures at audition, he stopped going as an actor asking for a job. He started to think, what does the director need and want for this role? He went as a solution to the director's problem. Hiring managers are the same as film directors. They're looking for the right person for the role. They don't enjoy the process of hiring. It's time consuming and it takes them away from their other work. They're under pressure, short-staffed, and something isn't working. And from their point of view, your CV landing in their inbox could be the answer to their prayers. Once you see it that way, you stop asking, how do I show how good I am? And start asking, what problem are they trying to solve? I got this wrong for a long time. I thought I have loads of skills and experience. They'll be impressed at how much I know. Oh, wrong. So don't include every role, every technology, every responsibility. The reader doesn't see experience. What they see is an unfocused risk, possibly expensive, possibly bored. The CV doesn't fail because of age. It fails because it doesn't clearly answer, I'm right for this role, right now, me. You'll have heard of the phrase fit the role, but fitting the role doesn't mean rewriting your entire CV each time. It means choosing what to emphasize. For every role, there is one main problem, one type of risk, one thing they're worried about getting wrong. Your CV should say, I've handled this exact situation before. That's it. Let's make it concrete. A role says senior back-end engineer, but that's meaningless. The real problem is our systems are brittle and outages are embarrassing. So, your CV should scream, stabilize legacy systems, reduce critical incidents by 70%. Not every language you know. Same engineer, same history, radically different response. Before you send a CV, ask yourself one question. If I were the hiring manager, what do I need to see to feel confident about this engineer? If your CV doesn't clearly answer that, it's not ready to send because it's still written from your point of view and not theirs. This is the most important part. You're not asking to be chosen. You are offering competence, judgment, and reduced risk. Your CV should feel like this person would make my week easier. Not, please give me a chance. That mindset shift alone changes how mature CVs are read. Now open your CV. Does your summary sound like a list of what you want or a statement of the value you offer? Change one line now. That's step one.